Good morning, Knights. I'm Ethan.
And I'm Eddie, bringing you the nightly news. To start off, we turn to Bob Ross, who once said, "You have to have a little bit of dark in order to show the light." It's just like in life. If you don't have a little sadness in your life, you never know when the good times come.
What's up, gamers? If you haven't already heard, we're having a Smash Bros. Tournament this February. If you'd like to sign up, go join our Discord. In the Discord, you can talk with other gamers and find announcements for what's going on, so make sure to join it. You can find the link in the Google Classroom here, or just join through this link. Then message one of the admins, Jerry, Maggie, Eddie, me, or Mr. Reed, with your name, school, Nintendo friend code, and your skill group, beginner, medium, or hardcore. The tournament is open to anyone from the PUSD, and there will be a prize for the winner. So go spread the word. The tournament will take place during Friday or Saturday, or maybe even both if we get enough people to sign up. It will be hosted on our gaming club's Twitch, which you can find here. It's not set up yet, but that's where you'll find us when we go live. If you'd like to join the gaming club, where we go live every week and play different games, DM Jerry that you want to join. And now it's time for the results of the Achieve Challenge. Last week, the student who scored the most on Achieve 3000 and was the last week's top scorer goes to...
And now, to sharpen our vocabulary, we turn to Natalie for the SAT Word of the Week.
What is the purpose of this article?
Hey Natalie, do you want to work together on this?
Sure, let's contemplate this together.
After moments of contemplating, they figured out the purpose. Hey, I'm Cynthia Antunes bringing you the SAT Word of the Week, and this week's word is contemplate. Contemplate is a verb and means to think deeply about. Well, there you have it. Back to Ethan and Ellie.
Up next, we turn to Dominic to learn about the math problem of the week.
Hi, I'm Dominic, and today I'll be explaining how to simplify rational expressions.
Alright, so to start off, we'll need to find the least common denominator of this expression, which would be 5 squared, and not 5 cubed, which we would get from multiplying 5x and x squared. We can then multiply 2 over 5x by x, as well as multiply 4 over x squared by 5. This would simplify our expression to 2x over 5x squared plus 20 over 5x squared. As both fractions have the same denominator, we can just simply add across the numerators to get 2x plus 20 over 5x squared as our solution. And that's how I simplify rational expressions.
Next up, we have a special message from Adriana.
Did you know that in today's world, there's modern-day slavery? It is also known as human trafficking, and it happens all over America. Human trafficking is forced labor. Anyone can be trafficked, a child, any woman, or man. Signs of human trafficking include traffickers often brand their victims with tattoos. Victims may show sudden changes in their dress and behavior. They also may have possessions they usually can't afford. They may have unusual long work hours. They may have new relationships with people that are noticeably older. They have a hard time making eye contact, especially with men. Have medical problems or accidents. Miss work or school a lot. Knowing the signs of human trafficking can protect yourself and others.
Are you ready to get ripped and in shape? Well, let's turn to Karen to learn a new exercise this week.
Hi, my name is Karen, and today we're going to be learning how to do walking lunges. Walking lunges are a great exercise to increase your flexibility and straighten your legs. Not sure how to do it? Check this out.
First, you're going to want to stand up straight with your feet shoulder width.
Then step forward with your right leg, putting the weight into your heel. Then bend the right knee lower down so it's parallel to the floor in a lunge position. And then repeat with your left leg. Complete 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 lunges. And there you have it, guys. That's how you do walking lunges.
I don't know about you, Ethan, but I'm pretty hungry. I'd really like to have a healthy meal right about now after practicing that exercise for a while. I know. Let's head over to Jonathan to learn about some healthy options that we can make for ourselves.
Hey everyone, my name is Jonathan Luna, and today I'm going to be your cooking coach. Today we're going to make some tacos. So let's get to it. The taco I'm going to show you how to make today is carne asada. So let me show you how to make it. First, place the carne asada on the grill. Then close the lid for the carne asada to cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, you flip the carne asada for it can cook on the other side for another 4 to 5 minutes. When it's finished cooking, put the carne asada on a cutting board. I'm gonna tell Freddy. Next, cut the carne asada into small pieces. Then put all the chopped pieces in a container. Now that the meat is done, it's time to cook the tortillas. Put them on a frying pan and cook them for 4 to 5 minutes each side. Now, put the tortillas on your plate and then use a spoon to scoop up the meat from the container and put it on your tortillas. For topping, you could put whatever you want from this list, but what I will put on my taco, I will put cilantro, onion, guacamole, hot sauce, and lime. And now for a taste test. Oh my god. This is delicious. If you're looking for a tasty meal that packed with meat and vegetable, then I give you this taco to try. Well, this has been great, and I hope you have been enjoying this recipe. Bye bye.
Oh yeah, that looks super tasty.
I can't wait to go down in the kitchen and try that out. Well, with that said,
have a great weeknights.